Tommy had some magazines to give to his friends. He gave 3 less than 2/5 of the magazines to Ryan. He then gave 11 less than 3/8 of the remaining magazines to John. Tommy then gave 12 more than 1/3 of the remaining magazines to his brother and had 18 magazines left. How many magazines did Tommy have at first?
Tony had some magazines to give to his friends. He gave 3 less than 2/5 of the magazine to Ryan. Now, 3 less than 2/5 of the magazine to Ryan. We try to understand this concept first. Now, I'm use a diagram to solve this problem. I'm going to divide this into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And it's giving 3 less of the 2/5. So I'm going to say this is 3 less. I didn't draw properly. 3 of the 2/5. I hope you can understand what is 2/5, right? Can you see 2 parts minus 3, right? Alright, if you want, you can draw like that. Okay, let's look at the second part. He then gave 11 less than 3/8 of the remainder. Now, of the remainder, they should have 8 parts. So before I do anything, I must divide it into 8 parts first, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's say this is 11. Alright, he gave 11 less than 3/8 to John. Then Tommy then gave 12 more than 1/3. 3 parts, right? So I'm going to draw 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. But it's 12 more, right? So this part here is 12. And he has 18 magazines left. Okay. Once you understand this, we can see that 2 units. Can you see these 2 units? Can you see these 2 units? We can work out the rest already. So 2 units will be 18 plus 12, and you have 30. So 1 unit will be 30 divided by 2, and you have 15. Now 3 units will be 15 multiplied by 3, you have 45. Now 3 units is equal to 5 parts. Where can I see the 5 parts? Now can you see this one, the 5 parts here? Are you able to see this with 5 parts? 5 parts. Alright, so 8 parts will be how many? If I know 5 parts is 3 units, 8 parts. Or you can find 1 unit first. Alright, so 5 parts is equal to 3 units, which is 45. 1 part will be 45 divided by 5, you have 9. Can I find 8 parts? Where to find the 8 parts? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 72. So 72 is equal to 3 units plus 3. Where do 3 units plus 3? Alright, you can see for yourself, 3 units here plus a 3. So 3 units will be 72 minus 3 will be 69. I can find 1 unit, which is 69 divided by 3. I have 23. Alright, so 1 unit is 23. How many units does Tommy has? Right, at first there are 5 units. You can see carefully there are 5 units there. So 5 units will be 23 multiplied by 5. Alright, and you have 115. How many magazines did Tommy have at first? So Tommy had 115 magazines at first.